Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Auto-Lock Timeout safely on Facebook, follow this quick guide to protect your account with automatic security features that lock your session after inactivity. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Tap the 3 horizontal lines menu icon in the bottom right corner on iOS or top right on Android. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings from the expanded menu. Step 4. Look for Security and Login in the Settings menu and tap on it to access security features. Step 5. Scroll down to find App Lock or similar security feature that allows you to set a timeout period. Step 6. Enable App Lock and set your preferred timeout duration, such as immediately, after 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes of inactivity. Step 7. Choose your authentication method for unlocking, such as Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode, depending on your device capabilities. Step 8. Test the auto-lock feature by leaving the app inactive for the set duration and verify that Facebook requires authentication to reopen. Step 9. Adjust the timeout duration as needed based on your security needs and usage patterns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.